Welcome, everybody. I'm Alexandra Chereshnya, Marketing Manager at RedTech. I'm so excited to welcome you all at our webinar, Service Cloud and Field Service Quick Start, Your Roadmap to Success. I'll be your host for today's session. The webinar is scheduled to last approximately 30 minutes, and we'll have some time for your questions at the end. And now, without any further ado, let me introduce our amazing speakers, Vladislava Derkach, Natalia Levitska, and Andriy Naidenko. The floor is yours.
Hi, colleagues. Thank you for joining us. Let me introduce our speakers in more details. Natalia Levitska is our Salesforce developer for 4 years and service and field service ambassador. In her spare time, she loves hiking. Andriy Naidenko is our Salesforce consultant since 2020. 10 years in sales, and he's a big football fan. And me, Vlada Derkach. Actually, I am 10 years in sales as well, and 3 of them are in CRM sales. And I'm passionate about yoga. And we would be happy to know who is with us today. So please write your names and city, and of course, feel free to leave your questions in the comments during the webinar. We will get back to them during the Q&A session. Our agenda for today's webinar is who is RedTech, what is Quick Start, who needs it, Quick Start benefits, what will client get, Quick Start stages, types of Quick Start, and finally a quick demo where Natalia will show you what configuration our customers could get with one of the Quick Start. So let's talk a little bit about us. RedTech is a Salesforce implementation partner. We have been on the market for 10 years since 2013. We are proud to be a Salesforce Summit partner. We do have a very high customer satisfaction score we are proud of as well. It averages at 5.0. Also, what makes RedTech unique is that we train our people. We have an internal RedTech Academy where we train our 130 employees. We all train at RedTech Salesforce Academy. With an average of 4 Salesforce certifications per team member, we bring extensive expertise and knowledge to every project we undertake. And I would like to mention that we are international. With presence both in Europe and North America. We were founded in Lviv, Ukraine, and about 3 years ago we expanded and opened an office in Chicago. So one part of our team is in Ukraine and another in the US. And we are uniquely positioned to accommodate the customers in all the time zones. So sorry. We offer a great variety of Salesforce consulting services. Some companies only focus on a more narrow profile. We cover a full spectrum of consulting that customers may need. Health check. As a result of this service, the customer will get a roadmap with everything they need to maintain the system. Our core daily service is designing and implementing solutions for customers, whether it is a standard Salesforce configuration or custom development. And for those customers who need additional support, but who don't have a big team or dedicated team for Salesforce maintenance, RedTech offers managed services. We are quite flexible and don't tell customers to buy a certain module of managed services. We just work on a monthly basis. And finally, Quick Start. We have Quick Start packages for core clouds and for some of the specialty clouds like CPQ, I don't know, B2B commerce, account engagement, marketing, and more. So let's stop here. And Andriy, the floor is yours.
Thanks, Lada. Thanks for your awesome intro. And our topic for today is Salesforce Service Cloud and Field Service Quick Start. So actually, what does that Quick Start mean? At the very beginning of our consulting story, we noticed that a lot of businesses look for the same while implementing Salesforce. Add fields to track specific information, customize how they see that info, few automations to streamline their routine manual tasks, and a couple of tailored reports. That gave us an idea to put this in predefined scopes of work, and we came up with new services called Quick Starts. So Quick Start is a specialized service designed for situations where Salesforce out-of-the-box features align with clients' requirements, but still need a touch of customization to perfectly match their unique business needs. It's the fast and efficient way to fine-tune Salesforce for optimal performance and outcomes, allowing clients to go live in just 1 month. Who needs a Quick Start? Quick Start is an ideal solution for a variety of businesses and organizations, including, let's say, small to medium-sized businesses new to Salesforce. Quick Start offers a seamless entry point into the Salesforce ecosystem, ensuring that these companies can quickly harness the power of Salesforce with tailored solutions. Companies with limited Salesforce expertise and resources. For organizations that lack in-house Salesforce expertise or have limited resources, Quick Start provides a cost-effective way to leverage Salesforce effectively. Those switching from any previous CRM systems to Salesforce, whether transitioning from another CRM or data management system, Quick Start streamlines the migration process and tailors Salesforce to specific business needs. Growing businesses, startups, and small companies, I believe that this list can be greatly expanded, but let's go to Quick Start benefits now. With Quick Start, clients can optimize their businesses processes, streamline operations, and enhance collaboration using Salesforce rapidly. But speaking about benefits, I would like to spotlight specifically 3 of them. Customized reports and charts. With our customized reports and charts, clients can leverage the power of data-driven insights. These tools provide a comprehensive understanding of their business's performance, enabling confident, informed decision-making. Smooth adoption. Red Tag is committed to ensuring a smooth adoption process. We provide comprehensive training and guidance, empowering internal users and administrators to maximize the system's full potential. Additionally, we offer recommended documentation and user guides for self-learning and continuous improvement. Finally, what clients love most is fixed price. Quick Start offers the peace of mind clients need to confidently plan their project. Our dedicated services come with a well-defined budget and scope, and that allows to allocate resources effectively in the reach client goals. So what namely will client get? Let's count with our fingers. First, a seamless Salesforce implementation in approximately 4 weeks, with varying timeframes based on the selected Quick Start package. The most important thing, I think, is that the client gets a readily available Salesforce system aligned with their specific business goals. A great bonus is the opportunity to automate manual tasks using a wide range of tools and dedicate time to something more important. Access to tailored reports for real-time tracking, I believe that's critical performance indicators, and it's crucial in the modern world. Smooth data migration from any platform or service to Salesforce, guaranteeing a seamless transition. Customized and practical staff training promotes user adoption and harnesses the full potential of Salesforce. And post-go live ensures that everything works as expected. So in the result of being said above, Quick Starts opened the opportunity to embark on a transformative digital journey for business. And now let's take a closer look at Quick Start as a process and talk a bit about its stages. The first call. In terms of this step, we get to know all the stakeholders, their requirements and deadlines, and schedule meetings to prepare the statement of work. The discovery call. We will clarify client goals and show them the list of possible solutions during this stage. Development and configuration. Actually, that is where all magic happens. Together, we will review the functionality of the system, guide clients through the user interface, and make all necessary adjustments. Data migration. Usually, most businesses have their previous history. So to not lose that, we offer legacy data migration. Client's task is to provide us with data they want to save. The training. During this stage, we train all stakeholders, including their employees who can cover the administrator role. That helps to use the system correctly and efficiently. User acceptance testing. We collaborate closely with the client's team to double check and thoroughly test the system, ensuring it aligns with requirements and operates smoothly. Post-go live support. We are committed to promptly resolving any issues that arise during the initial weeks after the release. Even after that, we don't leave our clients alone, and they can expect our help in their further development. And finally, I'd like to show you what I was talking about for so long. Let's dive deeper into Quick Starts, available for Service Cloud and Field Service implementation. And could you, Vlada, please switch to the next slide? Thanks. So there are 3 packages for each Quick Start. Every package, let's say, illustrates some specific scope of work to be done. What is common and actually important is that every package includes discovery workshops, training sessions, legacy data migration, and post-deployment support. And I believe that's crucial for a successful implementation, even the tiniest one. Different is that each package allows to tailor a bit more of core Salesforce features. Let's say in the essential one for Service Cloud, alongside with minimum valuable configurations, the client gets customized just the case object. But Ultimate Quick Start allows doing much more. Here we have web and email case setup, case escalations, milestone and entitlement configuration, and even omni-channel arrangement. So depending on client needs, there is a great opportunity to offer the best matching solution. If we switch to field service breakdown, thanks, Vlada. We will notice the same story. 3 packages, 3 amounts of work to be done. Basic configuration in the first one and advanced in the last. Let's say the out-of-the-box features fit the client mostly, and just let's say a drop of oil is needed to let this machine work. In this case, we would suggest doing general settings, get training, and go live shortly. But if there is a place for contractors management, schedulers and optimizations, or field service appointment setup, then definitely the client has to pay their attention to the ultimate package. In conclusion, quick starts, it's about configuration, not custom development. But these services provide businesses with the opportunity to start utilizing a tailored Salesforce solution fast and in a cost-effective way. That's all from me for now, and it brings us to the demo part, and I'd like to pass the word to Natalia. So that's your turn, buddy.
Thanks a lot, Andrew, and thank you all for joining us today. I'm really happy to see you all here. And as Vlada said, I'm developer at RedTech, and mostly my experience is centralized on Service Cloud, and basically field service is my strong side. So I prepared for you today a quick demo just to give you a flavor what we can do with all these packages, etc. So I'll share my screen. Please, Vlada, if you could stop sharing your. Okay. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, so let's imagine. I'm gonna tell you what use case we prepared here. So let's imagine that the company that requested field service and Service Cloud implementation within Salesforce is making reconstruction work, like reconstruction of the floors and laying tiles, etc. So this company requested field service in general, but together with implementation Service Cloud, because they need actually all this really great product. Okay, so the use case here is that the job was already completed, and some customer have already requested reconstruction of the floor, but after inspection of this job, the customer has some issue, and he or she wants to submit a ticket. In our case, this is a case object in Salesforce, and so for this demo purpose, we created a simple web to case form and added some general information. And this is where the client actually can put some details about this issue and submit the case in general. So I'll put here my information, my contact information, and I have prepared already the details. So have an issue with reason for reconstruction project, and maybe I'll put it here, and in description I'll say that several tiles have an issue, for example. I know that this is bad description, but for now it will be okay. So I submitted a ticket, and now from the agent side of the Service Cloud, I can actually see this case created. As you can see, case number, and my contact was already pre-populated here because I put it my email and phone, so and this contact was already in the system as there was already job completed for this client. So we can now proceed with this case, and in the details tab we can see all this information. We put it in case lab to case form, etc. So as the agent, I want to create a work order. This is a kind of field service part now. So I'm putting here some information about this case. So as you can see, there's already some of the info populated from this case, and I want to choose work type field inspection, service territory. I would like this is already pre-populated from my contact, so this is New York State. So I want to choose here service territory, New York service territory. Basically, this is like a polygon of New York State. And okay, so I'll create this work order. And as you can see in the feed, I can see those work order created. And when I click on it, I can see all the details about this work order and what is the best part of service product that we can utilize Field Service Console app. And it's really easily to navigate through all these records. So you can tap on this contact, see all of these contact cases and already completed work orders or general history. So from here, I reviewed all this work order information, and I want to book appointment for our technician to look what happened exactly at this site. So get appointments, and here field service actually is already giving us available slots, and I want to choose the most ideal one, so I'll choose Tuesday. This is today, yeah. As you can see, the appointment is already scheduled, and this was created really easily and really quickly. So from the Field Service Console, I can actually show you the service appointment. One moment. So this is the service appointment that was just created. And as you can see, this was scheduled for Lamar Smith for New York service territory. And but for demo purpose, I want to reschedule this service appointment to my technician that I created for myself. And that's why I'll just put it here. As you can see, this is really easy process. We can drag and drop these service appointments in this console, and also we can see all these service appointments that was already completed or in different statuses. So this is really user-friendly console. Okay, and now I wanna join to this webinar through my phone to show you how the Field Service mobile app is looking. So I will stop sharing my screen here. Sorry. stop share. Okay, and I'll join in just a second from the phone. Okay. So this is FieldService mobile app. And as you can see, there's 2 service appointments scheduled for me today for Tuesday, October 31. And this is the last one that I scheduled. Unfortunately, I'm in the Europe, so I could not build directions from my location. But you just know that you can build direction to your service appointment site location, and but actually it's integrated with Google, so you will get all the possibilities that Google can give you. And there's different tabs here. We can see actually the all details about the service appointment, the service territory, what type, basically all this info we were see in the web. The same you can see on your mobile as a technician. So I can see also all the contact information, like number, email, etc. So this is really cool. Okay, also I can see some products that I need to complete this request, but for this purpose we do not need this. Also there's some notifications tab here and profile settings, etc. So I'll just, for the demo purpose, I'll just change status of this service appointment to completed. Change appointment status. So completed. Okay. So that's it. I think if you have questions about this demo, please put them into Q&A session. And thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.
Maybe.
Thank you, Natalia. I have actually one question from Norbert about our quick starts. So if we have something besides service and field service cloud quick starts, and as I mentioned before, yes, we have. We have also all core cloud.
Sorry, Vlada. It's not so much about if you have other quick starts. It's more like do you besides those clouds, do you also do the other clouds? So if customers would like to work with you for other clouds as well, can you help them as well? No.
Sure. We work with all core clouds like marketing, like account engagement, like CPQ, consumer goods, and so on.
Also Commerce Cloud?
Sorry?
Commerce Cloud as well?
Yeah, B2B, Commerce Cloud, and I don't know, what about B2C so far?
No, B2C is not in our among our services, but yeah, actually we have B2B quick start and order management quick start. Also,
Only but we work with B2B Commerce Cloud.
Yeah.
And do you also help customers who are already a Salesforce customer, but they are not satisfied with the current implementation, or they are struggling how to set things up in the right way. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, that's correct. For such purposes, we do have such service called health check, and by means of that, we check two parts of client's system. The first one is technical review, and the second part is business analysis. And in the result, client will have like fit gap analysis and suggestions for improvements. And this is the end of that service. After that, they can make decision to work with us or what the another steps.
Okay, so that's all a part of the pre-sales, right?
Yeah, actually, it depends on case. Sometimes it's part of service we deliver to clients. Sometimes it could be complementary service just to get into that project. So it depends on the project and client needs.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And just to add that this is our first webinar, so we started with service and field service, but there would be more about our quick starts, so you can join them too.
And actually, I would like to mention that we've just considered the growth Service Cloud package and Essential Field Service Cloud Quick Start. So it was this configuration.
Okay, great. Thanks.
By the way, Norbert, you can check our site and see all our actual active quick starts. And besides that, we are preparing right now Slack quick start and Data Cloud. And Manufacturing Cloud. There are going to be a lot of quick starts.
Very good. Thank you very much for all the information. Well done.
Thank you for asking.
So we are just right now in Q&A session. So maybe we have more questions.
Thank you, Vlada. We actually did have some more questions. First of all, how flexible are the deliverables included in the quick start packages?
I'll take this one. Actually, we are quite flexible. Let's consider these packages as templates, and based on that, we can change deliverables. So this is like navigation point for client to see what can be delivered in terms of package and how much it will cost. So yeah, quite flexible.
All right. As you have mentioned, the prices what are the approximate prices for the quick start packages?
I could answer. For Service Cloud Quick Start, they start from $400, and for Field Service Cloud Quick Start, they start from 13,000. I said hundreds. So sorry. 4,000 and 14,000.
I was already wondering. That's a very cheap quick start. Never heard that kind of prices before. Yeah.
All right. I think following to the last question is, could the supervisors see the live location of their of the workers in the field service cloud?
Yeah, sure. They could see a live location, and they actually can use the field service console and a map tab, and they can see where the exactly workers are right now. So yeah.
Hey, thank you for your answers. I think it's all for now. Thank you all for joining our webinar. And as Natalie has mentioned, stay tuned for the next month. There's going to be much more. And thanks to all our amazing speakers, and have a wonderful day.
Thanks everybody for your time.
Yeah, thank you all. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Bye.